I just came back from a photo shoot today, but that's not what today's video is about. Alright, so I'm catching the train to Boston, but the only thing is, it's pouring outside. Well, I guess I'm just gonna get soaked.
Flash flooding a concern with just more heavy rain during the course of the morning into the afternoon.
Every single reporting site has set a new daily rainfall record today. Biggest record, 3.66 inches.
The trains are terrible, especially because of the rain. I was not waiting 25 minutes for the train, so I walked to the next subway line. So I'm all drenched. That's the train. Okay, people are already heading down to the tracks. Let's go.
So we've been tracking very heavy rainfall over the past now around couple of hours here, and the system actually is moving through quite a bit faster than what we were initially expecting. We are still under a flood watch with river flood warnings already in effect. This is due to kind of the large amount of rainfall we're getting in kind of a short period of time, and due to this we're expecting to see some issues with river levels rising.
We got folks Providence, Rhode Island coming up. Please watch your step.
We've been stopped for like a minute now or something. That looks like the tracks are flooded. I don't know what's going on now. Like, it's just water. I can't see the tracks.
As you can see, if you look out to your left, there's some heavy flooding right now, and that's causing some issues with the engine, and the engine cannot draw power under these conditions. We're really going to be sitting here momentarily for a little bit until either another train comes and gets us or get the engine back running, but we'll let you guys know. We'll keep you guys updated.
I don't know how long I'm going to be here for. Hello? We're gonna be here for a while. Alright. Okay, because they said we might have to wait for another train to come get us. Yeah. Alright. Bye. Yeah, so what happened is the tracks outside of Providence are all flooded. It's like 3 inches above the running rails. There's just waves of water. I was not expecting the trains to get flooded. Alright, no, I can't. You push the open button. Yeah.
There is some snack packs and waters in the cafe, and I'm free to come and grab some if they'd like. We're still working on the problem. As you can see, the rain's not letting up at all. Yeah, flooding continues, so.
So originally I was just filming this video because I need to make more videos. But I was not. It's crazy. We've been here for over an hour now. It's 9:55 right now. Our train departed Providence at 8:45. We might get towed if they can't fix the engine, which I don't think they could because it's an electric engine.
Unfortunately, once again, we really apologize for this delay. It's a pain, but we are working on a solution. The most recent update I heard is they plan on sending a diesel train on the track adjacent to us to clear our train, and they're going to come back onto our train and tie on and then drag us out of here.
Yeah, there's something's coming. We're getting out of here.
Why are there people on the commuter already?
Wait, this is the other train.
If you look off to your left, you can see our savior over there. They're gonna back and tie onto the rear of our train, folks, and then drag us back into Providence Station. Folks, once we get to Providence Station, there'll be 2 trains you can take back to Boston. This train right here, next to us, that's equipped with a diesel engine. That train will be going to Boston. It'll take all of our passengers. It'll make all the stops that we're making. So if you would like to get on that, feel free to do so once we do get into the station. And there'll also be Amtrak 168.
We are moving again.
Alright folks, as you can see, we are back on the move. Folks, I want to thank you guys. You all great tonight. Thanks for all your patience and all the help.
Once I get home. No, I won't need it. You just, I have Uber app, so if I end.
We're finally getting out of here.
We literally were, what, 1 mile away?
Not even.
Not even, we just came back.
We came back on the next day.
That's true, I didn't realize that. Sorry. It's the next day.
Finally out of here. Finally in Boston. It's 1:21 in the morning.
Ladies and gentlemen, you've all been waiting for it. Boston South Station. Doors open up on the right of the train. Please watch your step as you exit. There is a gap. On behalf of your crews from Amtrak 168 and 194, we apologize for the lateness of both trains. Please get home safe and have a good morning.
It's so late at night that he actually said have a good morning. What is this? It's crazy.